Komishoni ya guthurima mishara ya aruti wira a thirikari ni irugametie itena ria keri ria nyongerera ya mishara kuri maabitha anene a thirikari iria irabangeirwo mweri uyu. Uu ni kumana na marakara ma muingi riri thirikari ikoretwo ikiuga gutire na mbeca.
In consultation with the National Treasury, SRC hereby freezes the upward review of salaries for all state officers and will review the advice for all other officers, taking into account the current realities of the economy, taking into account any contractual commitments and reduced budget, so as to ensure affordability and fiscal sustainability of the public wage bill.
Muikarigite wa commission eno Lynn Mengich oigite no ndirari nyongerera njeru indi ni nyongerera ya mweri wa mugwanja mwaka muhituku iria yari irutithio wira na matena meri. Nyongerera ya itena ria mbere yambiririe mweri-ini wa mugwanja mwaka muhituku na uwo ni kuga abunge na maabitha angi meguthie na mbere na kwamukira mishara iria mongereirwo. Maminista mongereirwo 33,000 na maratanyite kuongererwo ingi 33,000. Abunge nao maramerageria matanyongerera ya shiringi 14,600 mweri uyu thutha wa kuongererwo 15,500 mwaka muhituku.
Before any implementation, we consult with the National Treasury and it is budgeted accordingly. So the review for the last financial year was budgeted and therefore it will continue to apply.
Commission ya SRC yugite nyongerera ino iratwarana na watho uria uramataga commission iyo wa guthurima mishara uthutha wa miaka 3 na nyongerera ino yathugundirwo kuona kuma mwaka wa 2020 nginya 2022 gutire mishara yongereirwo kumana na king'uki kia homa ya corona.
This review came after a 2-year freeze on pay structures for the period 2021-22 financial year and 2022-2023 financial year on account of the impact of COVID-19 on the economy.
Nyongerera yothe kuri maabitha a thirikari irari huthira makire ya bilioni 20 cia rihia igoti. Nayo nyongerera ya maabitha anene thirikari ni gikiro kia maminista irari huthira milioni 800.
The actual increase for everybody, all public officers, including the state officers, would be about 22 billion. Right? The state officers, all of them, including the members of parliament, the judiciary, the commissions, the county governments, is less than 1 billion.
Ona mbere ya commission ya SRC irekereirie ndumiriri, president ni agwathite ministry ya kigina ndikarutithia wira nyongerera ino. Minister wa utungata wa muingi Moses Kuria akiuga gutire nyongerera igukinyanirio.
Unfortunately, I'm the one who pays everybody. I've got a system called integrated payroll payment system, yeah, and you know, in that system, which is under my control, I pay the salary from the driver to the president, and take it from me that I will not implement, I will not adjust, I will not add anybody's payroll for the national government.
Ihinda-ini riri mishara thirikari-ini iroya gicunje kia 46 harĩ igana kia mbeca iria bũrũri ũrongania. Indi gatiba yugite gicunje giki gitiagirire gukira gicunje kia 30 harĩ igana. Komishoni eno irauga no irathie na mbere guthurima marehi ma njoherera maria maabitha anene thirikari ni mainukagia kuona marehi maya ni marahuthira mbeca nyingi cia muingi.
We believe as a commission that will help us to quickly get to the 35%. So it is in progress, but we have started on phase 1 and phase 2.
Muingi urenda mishara yothe ya maabitha a thirikari irorwo weru niguo kunyihiria murihi wa igoti murigo muritu hamwe na kuibaibia kigina kiria kiraigwo keheri-ini kuriha thirĩ wa bũrũri na gukinyaniria mibango itiganite ya uthii wa na mbere. Thutha wa Kenya gukorwo magitetia mishara ya maabitha anene thirikari ni nyihanyihio riu kiriro kiao kionekete ni ta kiiguikite thutha wa mishara iria yatemeirwo kuongererwo mweri uyu wa mugwanja kurugamio. Indi mishara iria yongereirwo mweri wa mugwanja mwaka muhituku no iguthie na mbere na kurutithio wira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma muciĩ munene wa Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.